return tickets on this side. If you lose that, you pay, yeah?
Oh no, really?
Let's do it. I'm up for anything.
So, we're on the boat. That was a little bit crazy, hectic.
Up for anything.
Are we on the way there?
I hope so.
If we are not, then we are late.
And then we're gonna swim between the islands.
Never stop, make it last. Ways up our hands all night. Go where we want, rushing past all of the no's and why's. We can do it all. All the feels that feel so right. Look at me, looking at you.
We've just landed in Gili Air, and we're now gonna, because we're on the other side of the island, we're gonna take a course.
Let's do it. You know I'm up for anything. Up for anything.
So this is where we are staying for 2 nights. Ah, look how cute this is. So this is our inside. It's cute. The electricity has gone off at the moment, so can't really show you, but you can't really see much. So just wanted to show you what the kids have been up to. They've built this beautiful kind of coral sand castle. Look at that! Check that out.
We did it!
I know, it's gorgeous. We've just been sitting over here relaxing, and I'm just going to test the water. There's a lot of coral here, I don't know if you can see.
Let's go diving. So I just did a beautiful dive. So a few turtles, huge turtles, a few sharks, a few nemos, many other fish, corals. It was beautiful.
We're going to be over there somewhere.
Yeah.
What do you think of the view, Kiara? That's nice. So it's our last day today on this island. And then we are heading off to, do you know where we're going? We're going to Ubud. This is a pineapple pancake. There's also a banana pancake there.
Really good.
And
I mean, the banana one was great.
The banana one was delicious. So let's just try this. Order. okay. That's really good as well. But I prefer the banana pancakes, really good. It's delicious. Just waiting for our boat back to Padang Bai. Just stopped over. It's a cute little place called Go Go Shake. It's really good. Okay, something very important. When you arrive in Padang Bai, you probably have one of these tickets, so keep this ticket. There's going to be lots of drivers trying to take your ticket. Don't give it, because this you need to keep and get to the right place, because then you get your, it's a free shuttle actually, so keep your ticket so that you can travel for free. You're going to get bombarded by many drivers, and if they take it, they're going to then charge you to get to your destination, so just make sure that you keep your ticket.